Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to teach any new topic to kid, and I'm taking here the topic use of a and an. This is the topic I'm introducing for the very first time to my kid. Make sure that while introducing any new topic to kid that started from the very basic, you will get an idea after watching the full video. If you are new here in our channel, I request please consider subscribing to the channel for more interesting videos related to kids learning. Hi Adi.
Hi.
Today we'll learn about the use of a and an, okay?
Yes.
For that, we have to study about the alphabets, the vowel and consonant first, okay?
Yes.
So, I have written here A to Z. Count these alphabets.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
So, there are
26.
26 alphabets. Write down 26. Very good. Now, tell me how many vowels. I have already told you about the vowels, right?
Yes.
Tell me how many vowels.
5.
Okay. Circle the vowel.
A,
Good. Next.
E,
Then
I, O, U.
very good. How many vowels?
5.
5 vowels. Write down 5 for vowels. V for vowel. V. Write 5 in front of V. Okay? There are 5 vowels. Write 5. Okay. Now the remaining letters. These are remaining letters. Okay? B, C, D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are 21. Okay?
21.
And these are called consonants.
Consonant.
Write down C for consonant. C. How many consonants are there?
21.
21. Write down 21. Alright. Now, I'll tell you where to use a and where to use an. Okay? Write down here a. And write here an. A-N. Okay?
Yes.
Both a and an are used for one object.
Yes.
For how many objects?
1.
One objects. What is in your hand?
Pencil.
How many pencil?
1.
One pencil. Okay? And the word pencil start from the alphabet. Say pencil.
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 Pencil. P.
P. Very good. This is starting from
P.
P. And P is vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Consonant. Very good. Now, if the beginning letter of any object is consonant, then we'll use a. So, we'll use a pencil.
A pencil.
Okay. How many pencil you have?
1.
1. So, we use a for one object. Okay.
Yes.
If you will having 2 pencil, then you will use a.
No.
No, you will use 2 pencils I have. But if you have to say I have 1 pencil, You can say I have a pencil.
A pen.
Okay?
Yes.
If the beginning letter of any object is a consonant, then we'll use a. And the beginning letter of any object is vowel,
Vowel.
then we'll use N. Are you getting? I'll give you some examples. Okay? Write down cat.
C.
Yes.
A. T. Cat.
Okay. What is the beginning letter of cat?
K. C.
C. What is the beginning letter?
C.
C. And C is a vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Consonant. Okay. Underline the C. C is a consonant. We'll use a cat.
A cat.
Okay. What we'll use?
A cat.
A cat. Write down here a. A cat. Okay.
Yes.
If there will be one cat only,
One cat.
then we'll use a cat.
A cat.
Okay?
Yes.
Because the beginning letter of cat is consonant.
Yes.
Are you getting?
Yes.
Write down apple here. Write down here, this side. Okay? Apple.
Apple. A. Double P.
Yes.
L. E.
Okay, now tell me, what is the beginning letter of apple?
A.
A. Underline the A. Now tell me, A is a consonant or a vowel?
Vowel.
This is a vowel. Very good. Now we'll use, what we'll use before apple? If we are having one apple, then we'll use an apple.
An apple.
What we'll use?
An apple.
An apple. Okay?
Yes.
Write down N before apple.
A. N.
What is this?
N.
N.
Apple.
An apple. Okay? And what is this?
A cat.
A cat. Okay? Now this is clear to you? Where to use a and where to use N?
Yes.
Now I have written some words over here. You have to write a and N before that. Okay? What is this?
Kite.
Kite. The beginning letter is?
K.
Beginning letter is?
K.
K. And K is? Consonant.
Consonant.
What we'll use here?
A.
A. Okay? Write down a kite. What? A kite. Okay? This is?
Bat.
Bat. And the beginning letter is?
B.
B. B is?
Consonant.
What we'll use?
O.
A bat.
A bat.
Very good. This is?
Rat.
The beginning letter of rat is?
R.
R. R is?
Consonant.
What we'll use before that?
O.
Write down. Read it.
A rat.
Very good. This is?
Ant.
Ant. What is the beginning letter?
A.
A. And A is a?
Vowel.
Vowel. What we'll use before vowel?
N.
N. Very good. Write down N.
A. N.
Read it.
And.
Very good. Next one.
Apple.
Apple. What is the beginning letter?
A.
A. And A is a?
Vowel.
Vowel. What we'll use?
N.
Write down.
A. N.
Next.
Dog.
Beginning letter.
D.
D is.
Consonant.
What we'll use?
A.
A.
O.
A dog.
A dog.
Next.
Net.
Net. What is the beginning letter?
N.
N is the
Consonant.
consonant. Write down. What we'll use?
O.
A net.
O. Net.
Very good. Next.